Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 3D camera tracking in After Effects. I'll show you the best way to add any 3D object to your scene using After Effects 3D camera tracker. The 3D camera tracker is a powerful tool in After Effects that analyzes your footage and recreates the original camera's movement in 3D space. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about what makes the footage good for tracking. Like our footage here, we should have a lot of contrast, a lot of trackable points, and a little camera movement, and also our footage has good resolution and is not blurry. Let's drag our footage here to create a new composition. Then go to Window and choose Tracker. Then click on Track Camera, and After Effects will start its analyze. This might take a few seconds or minutes depending on the length of your footage and also the power of your device. Once the analysis is done, you can see a bunch of colored dots. These are our tracking points. The color indicates the After Effects confidence in each point. So the greener, the better. Just look for a cluster of points which you can create a surface. Then right click and choose Create Text and Camera. This will create a new camera and text layer for us. Our text layer is in position, but the size and orientation needs to be fixed. We're gonna select our text layer and hit R on your keyboard. Let's zero out our properties first. Now we need to rotate on X axis until we kind of make it right. And we also need to move it to the left. I strongly suggest you move the 3D object that you put in your space. Just use the anchor point and do not move the layer by these handles. Just press A on your layer and move it with your anchor point. We have to move in X. We're gonna type something like rescue point and just reduce the size. If we quickly ramp preview our footage, we can see that it looks like that it's sticking on the ground. Okay, let's make our text pop with some shadows. Select your footage and select the 3D camera tracker effect to be able to see the tracking points. Just select a cluster of points, right click and create a solid. Then go to layer and solid settings, change it to black. Make it bigger. Okay, then we're gonna move it with anchor point. It's right beneath the text now, and if you play, you can see that it's right beneath the text. Now with a rough mask, you can just create a simple shadow. This shadow should match the shadow in our scene. I think that's about right. Press F, give your mask some feather. Then press T to lower the opacity. and the opacity should match our shadow. So I guess that's about right. You can also duplicate your text layer and press P, move it in the Z axis, move it back and give it a darker color, so it kind of gives a 3D look. And there you have it. Our 3D text looks like it's on the roof. If you found this helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching.